Hello everyone, this is Teacher Mama Ninil and welcome to Teacher Mama Diaries. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. In this video, we will learn about adding and subtracting similar and dissimilar fractions with mixed numbers. Similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators like 1/5 and 4/5, and 1/8, 5/8, and 7/8. To add or subtract similar fractions, we follow these steps. 1. Add or subtract the numerators. 2. Copy the common denominator. Then 3. Express your answers in the lowest terms. So now let us have an example on how to add similar fractions. We have here 2/5 plus 1/5. First, add the numerators. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 5. Remember to express the answer in the lowest term. So, is the GCF of 3 and 5 already 1? Yes, it is. The GCF of 3 and 5 is 1. So, 3/5 is already in the lowest term, and it is the final answer. Alright, so next is an example on how to subtract similar fractions. We have 8/9 minus 5/9. First, subtract the numerators. 8 minus 5 equals 3. Then copy the common denominator, which is 9. We have to express the answer in the lowest term. So is the GCF of 3 and 9 1? No, because their GCF is 3. So we need to simplify 3/9. So let's divide them by their GCF, which is 3. So 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Then 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So the answer is 1/3. The next example involves mixed numbers. 4 and 4/9 plus 2 and 1/9. Since we are adding mixed numbers, so it is easier to add them if you write them vertically like this. Then let's add the whole numbers first. 4 plus 2 equals 6. Then add the numerators. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Then copy the common denominator, which is 9. Then we need to express the answer in the lowest term. So let's see if the GCF of 5 and 9 is 1. And yes, it is. So meaning 5/9 is already in the simplest form. And 6 and 5/9 is our final answer. Once again, remember to add or subtract similar fractions. First, add or subtract the numerators. 2. Copy the common denominator. Then lastly, express your answers in the lowest terms. So now, let's add or subtract the similar fractions with mixed numbers. Remember, the similar fractions are fractions with different denominators, like 2/5 and 4/7. And 1/2, 3/11, and 2/9. To add or subtract the similar fractions, remember these steps. 1. Find the LCD to make the fractions similar. 2. Find the new numerators. 3. Add or subtract the numerators. 4. Copy the common denominator. Then 5. Express your answers in the lowest terms. So now let's have an example on how to add the similar fractions. We have 1/2 plus 3/4. Remember, we cannot directly add or subtract the similar fractions. First, we need to change them to similar fractions. So we will have a new set of fractions. Then let's find their LCD. The LCD of 2 and 4 is simply their LCM, and their LCM is 4, so 4 will be the LCD. The fractions will also have new numerators because their denominators have changed. To find the new numerator of the first fraction, let's divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, then multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. Let's find the numerator of the second fraction. Let's divide. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. Then multiply. 1 times 3 equals 3. Now, as you can see, the fractions are already similar, so we can already proceed with addition. So first, add the numerators. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Then copy the common denominator, which is 4. Then the answer is 5/4 and it is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So we will divide to change it to a mixed number. So 5 divided by 4 equals 1. Then 1 times 4 equals 4. Then subtract 5 minus 4 equals 1. The remainder, which is 1, will be the numerator. And the divisor, which is 4, will become the denominator. And we need to express the answer in the lowest term. So let's see if 1/4 is already in the lowest term. So is the GCF of 1 and 4 1? Yes, it is. So the answer is 1 and 1/4. And now, let us have an example on how to subtract dissimilar fractions. So we have here 4/5 minus 1/3. Since these fractions are dissimilar or they have different denominators, so we cannot directly subtract them. First, we need to change them to similar fractions by finding their LCD. So we will be having a new set of fractions. Now, the LCD of 5 and 3 is simply their LCM, and their LCM is 15. So 15 will be the LCD. The fractions will also have new numerators because their denominators have changed. To find the new numerator of the first fraction, let's divide. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Then multiply. 3 times 4 equals 12. Then let's find the new numerator of the second fraction. Let's divide. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Then multiply. 5 times 1 equals 5. So the fractions are now similar and we can already proceed with subtraction. So first, subtract the numerators. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Then copy the common denominator, which is 15. Then make sure that the answer is in the lowest term. So is the GCF of 7 and 15 equal to 1? Yes. So 7/15 is already in the lowest term. So the answer is 7/15. So now, let us have an example on how to add dissimilar fractions with mixed numbers. We have 7 and 3/4 plus 2 and 5/6. Let's rewrite them vertically so it is easier for us to add them. The fractions are dissimilar or they have different denominators. So we need to change them to similar fractions. Then we will have a new set of fractions. Then let's copy the whole numbers first because they are sometimes left behind. Next, let's find the LCD or the least common denominator of 4 and 6. The LCD of 4 and 6 is simply their LCM, and their LCM is 12, so 12 will be the LCD. The fractions will also have new numerators because their denominators have changed. To find the new numerator of the first fraction, let's divide. 12 divided by 4 equals 3, then multiply. 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's also find the new numerator of the second fraction. Let's divide. 12 divided by 6 equals 2, then multiply. 2 times 5 equals 10. Now the fractions are already similar, so we can proceed with addition. Let's add the whole numbers first. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Next, add the numerators. 9 plus 10 equals 19. Then copy the common denominator, which is 12. The answer is 9 and 19 over 12. However, 19 over 12 is an improper fraction. So we need to divide to change it to a mixed number. So let's divide. 19 divided by 12 equals 1. Then 1 times 12 equals 12. Then subtract. 19 minus 12 equals 7. The remainder, which is 7, will become the numerator, and the divisor 12 will become the denominator. So we have to express the fraction in the lowest term. So let's see if the GCF of 7 and 12 is 1. And yes, the GCF of 7 and 12 is 1. So 7 over 12 is already in the lowest term. Then let's add the whole numbers, 9 and 1, and that makes 10. Then let's copy the fraction 7 over 12. So the answer is 10 and 7/12. Alright, let us have an example on how to subtract the similar fractions with mixed numbers. So we have 5 and 7/8 minus 3 and 1/4. Once again, let's rewrite them vertically so it is easier to subtract them. The fractions are dissimilar or they have different denominators, so we need to change them to similar fractions. Then we will have a new set of fractions. Then let's copy the whole numbers first. Next, let's find the LCD or the least common denominator of 8 and 4. Remember again, the LCD of 8 and 4 will be their LCM, and their LCM is 8. So their LCD is 8. Don't forget that the fraction will also have new numerators because their denominators have changed. To find the new numerator of the first fraction, let's divide. 8 divided by 8 equals 1. Then multiply. 1 times 7 equals 7. Let's also find the new numerator of the second fraction. Let's divide. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Then multiply. 2 times 1 equals 2. So the fractions are now similar, so we can already proceed with subtraction. Let's subtract the whole numbers first. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Next, subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Then copy the common denominator, which is 8. So we have 2 and 5/8. Then don't forget to express your answer in the lowest term, meaning we have to express the fraction in the lowest term. So let's see if the GCF of 5 and 8 is 1. And yes, the GCF of 5 and 8 is 1, so it is already in the lowest term. So the answer is 2 and 5/8. So let's not forget the steps on how to add or subtract the similar fractions. 1. Find the LCD to make the fraction similar. 2. Find the new numerators. 3. Add or subtract the numerators. 4. Copy the common denominator. 5. Express your answers in the lowest terms. And now, try answering this and comment down your answer. Clue: use the math skills taught in this video. Joy ate 3/7 of a cake and Sam ate 2/5 of it. What fraction of the cake did they eat in all? A. 4 over 35. B. 24 over 35. C. 5 over 12. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Bye!